In this video, I will show you how to add search bar in Wix website. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now let's jump straight into the video. First of all, you're gonna need to open up your Wix.com. It will take you here on your dashboard where you can see all your website. Select the website where you want to add the search bar. Tap the website and then you're gonna click on edit. It will take you on editor.wix.com and you will land here. Inside your Wix editor, go to your Wix app at the left side. Click on Add Apps. It will open up the Wix Market for you. In the search bar here, you're going to search Site Search. So here we have this. Give visitors easy way to search your site. Select this one. And this is the app that you want to add to your website. Click on Add to Site and it will be added to your website. And there you go, now you have a search bar right here, at the top left of the website. You can actually do different settings for your search bar. You can also customize them. Just click on the search bar and you will see option that will manage search results and settings. Explore the other buttons and that's it. That's how you add search bar on your Wix website. I hope that I was a big help to you. Thanks for watching.